Stop cheating yourself. This is the correct form. Perfect the rep, and the strength will follow. Hold.
90% of people do push-ups wrong. Today or end, watch every mistake, then fix it instantly.
Mistake 1. Hips too high. That's not a push-up. That's a mountain pose. Fix it. Keep your head, shoulders, hips, and heels in one line. This is real power and control. Mistake 2. Chest dropping too low. You're crushing your shoulders, not training your chest.
Fix it. Lower with control till your chest almost touches the floor taint. Then push up with power. Mistake 3. Elbows flaring out. That kills your power and hurts your shoulders.
Fix it. Keep elbows at 45 degrees. It's the perfect power angle for chest and triceps.
Mistake 4. Grips in half reps. Fast doesn't mean strong. You're just wasting effort. Fix it. Full range of motion. Down controlled, up with full lockout. Every inch builds strength.
Mistake 5. Neck down. You're breaking your spinal alignment.
Fix it. Keep your neck neutral, eyes forward. Straight spine equals strong form.
Mistake 6. Wrong hand placement. Too wide or too narrow ruins balance and causes pain.
Fix it. Hands slightly wider than shoulders. Stable base, clean power transfer.
Fix it. Inhale down, exhale up. Tight core, steady rhythm. Breathing fuels strength.
Now you've seen the mistakes and the fixes. Don't just move, train with purpose. Perfect your push-up, perfect your strength.